So, Punya, what will do? You can see my screen now, right? Okay. So today we are going to discuss exactly multi-dimensions array in Python. So the last class we discussed about array. Okay. So multi-dimension, the best use case is the matrix. What is matrix, Punya? Punya, am I audible you?
Yes, yes, sorry, I was on
Yeah,
mute.
yeah. So last class we discussed about array, correct?
Uh,
That is 1D array.
eh, Sorry?
Last class we have discussed about 1D array.
Correct, correct, correct.
1D array. So
Yeah,
today I'm coming with the multi-dimensions array in the Python, how we work basically. Okay.
correct,
So
correct,
best use case is the matrix. So what is
correct.
matrix?
Matrix is a type of array only.
Array only. Okay.
So here, that how can I explain?
So we can say the table,
It's a
right?
user different. Yeah,
No. We'll say simple terms. So matrix is nothing but the combination of rows and column. Okay, like a table.
okay,
What we have at the table, we have the record and we have a schema, right? So it's nothing but basically row and column.
okay,
Similarly, here also in the array programming, what we are trying to do exactly, I want to create some multi-dimensional array. Okay, so there I can load the data. So let's say 10, 20, 30, and 40. So this is the 1D array. First row
correct,
is one row means 1D array, correct?
correct,
Now if you are going to add the records of multiple row, it becomes what? Multi-dimensional array. So multi-dimension is number of dimensions what we are looking. So I'm right now I'm saying I'm looking for 2 dimensions array. That is my requirement first.
right,
So the 2 dimension means let's say here we have 0, 1 index, right?
right,
2 and 3 is nothing but 4. And this is also what? 0, 1, 2 and 3. So it means this is nothing but 4 into 4 matrix, we can say. Or I can say
that should be.
this is the
I
2D
understand.
array, 2D array, okay, which has 4 into 4 data insertion order, okay?
That should be three only, right? One, two, three on the first line. Zero, one, two,
No,
three.
0 1, that is type of mistake, correct? 1, 2,
Okay,
3. Yeah.
that's what I just.
Yeah, so here should be 3. Yes, correct. So now the total size is what? 4 into 4. So this is the matrix, right? So we are saying this will load. So 4 into 4 means how many data we can load here? 16, right?
16.
So we can store max 16 element here. So that is the way how we are looking at. So matrix has like lots of use case we discuss in mathematics to load some larger amount of data and all, right? We use the matrix program, okay, in the programming world. So if this is the one matrix, so let me come back to the Python, then we'll be back to this paint, okay, here. So let's say here, first we should understand exactly now. So what is the matrix here? So this is the row. What is this? This is
Row.
the row, right?
Hmm.
This is row and this is the column. We know already in the tabular structure, we study always, every day. We are doing the same
Correct,
one,
correct.
okay? So matrix
Hmm.
is nothing but like a table, we can say in the simple terms. Column,
Okay.
okay?
Hmm.
Columns here. So let's do one small program first before coming to here. So let's say exactly here, if I'm saying here like rows is equal to, I'll say enter, and then I'm giving input here, and here I'm saying here basically enter the number of rows, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, enter the number of rows. How many rows you are looking exactly? Similarly, here we can do exactly here columns. Then I can say integer, and then I can say input, and then I can say here enter the number of columns. Okay, now we need to initialize the matrix in Python, As of now, this is the variable, right? So what I'm going to do here, I am going to initialize matrix in Python, because Python has slightly different syntax. That's why I'm saying here. So I'm saying what matrix is equal to blank, right? It's empty, right? Empty array or list, we can say. Now let me show exactly here. So if I'm saying here right now for I in range of rows, correct? Here. And I am saying here, let's say like R of array exactly, right? R is equal to, this is the first row. And then I am saying here for J in range of column. Can you say? So one for row, one for column, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So again, we are coming here. We'll check exactly what is happening here. So we have right now R matrix here and only the main matrix, correct? So this is for one record, right? R. So what will happen here? Let's say here, if I is equal to 0, I and j we have right here, this program, right? Let's take this program here, I and j. So if we take here right now I and j in this output here, so let's say first time I is equal to 0. If the first time I is equal to 0, what will be the j? J will be 0. Again j will be 1.
1. J will be 2, 3. Yeah, for every count of I,
3.
it will be
Correct.
sequence. Yeah.
Again, once j is a 4, it will execute, right? It will execute.
Exist.
Okay. Again, I becomes what? 1.
1.
Again, j will get repeat.
0.
Correct. 0, 1, 2, 3. Again exit. Then I is equal to 2. So for every I, the 4 times j we are inserting, right? Correct. So for one record, we have to insert the 4 column for every row. So that's why I is indicating the rows and j is indicating the column, the something here, okay, here, I and j. So that's why the point is that exactly here. So either you consider this way, okay, this way, or you consider in this way. The value should be same, right here. See that? So what we are doing here right now, if I is equal to 0, see that. If I is equal to 0 and j is equal to 0, this is something like this here. See. So what happened? I 0 and j 0, correct?
J 0. Yeah.
This is the j 0. So the 0 index came here, 0 0. Still I is a 0, correct? I 0 and j is incrementing 1, correct?
1.
So now we got 1 here. So here we are saying 1. So the record is going like this, 1. J is equal to 1.
Understood.
Okay, the flow.
Yeah.
So the first record will be coming to this, second record will be coming to this, third record will be coming to this here. After this, once this is completed, it is going to the next
row
I
by
increment by 1. That is the value will be coming here, right?
Yeah.
So now this becomes 1. This is the flow, how the entry is going to happen into the array. So finally, once I and j will complete it, it will becomes one matrix, whatever the left side we are seeing right now, right? 2, 3, and 4. Here. See that? So it looks like now finally it looks like this, right? See? Correct? Now the block of storage. So you can see here now it means 0, 0, 1. 0, 1 means what? What is the meaning of 0 and 1?
J equals to 0 and
I is equal to
I equals
0,
to
j
0, J equals to 1. Sorry.
Yeah. The meaning is that I is equal to 0 and j is
J
equal to
equals
1.
to 1.
Okay.
Where the 12 number is placed.
Yeah. Correct. So if somebody asks you, yes, I want the 13 value. Let's say I'm keeping here. I need the 15 value here. Correct. So this is the 2.
Yeah.
So it means what? So it means I is equal to 1 and comma 2, correct? So this is the flow, and here if we pass these index positions, we should get 15. So this is the retrieval of value with reference to the index positions of the I and j in the 2 dimensions array. So here, if you are coming back now to the program, so this is this we understood here. Now j in R and columns. Then what I am going to do here, I am going to write again. We need to enter the element, right? So here, what we are going to pass. So here I can say here, inserting value to matrix, correct? With reference to rows and column position based on size entered by the user. So now here what I can do here right now, I can say exactly r dot append is a function we have, right? We can load the data like this only. And then I can say here what I'm going to pass here exactly integer. And then I can see about input. Okay. So this is nothing but basically you are passing the value to the array. Now once this, so what will happen here? For every I0, we are passing the value to R, correct? See that this we are passing the value with reference to J, correct? First positions, Gi is equal to I and J. After that, what I am going to do here exactly here, I am saying here matrix. Once this is done, I want to pass that array to my main array. That is what matrix does append, and append is what I write here. Yeah. So let me check here right now, and then if we are printing the value, right? So what we can do? If you're going to print the value here, print the value here of array. What we can enter here again for I in range, and we can say a rows, and then again we can say here for j in range of columns, row and columns. We are saying here, and then we can print the matrix here, print, okay, and I can say right now \t, and then I can print here matrix of, see that, matrix of I comma j here. So let me try the syntax here, matrix I comma j. Yeah, okay. One, this is print here, then it should print here exactly what I want. New line, correct? Next line it should print this order. Let's do it now. Let's enter the value to this matrix. Matrix append, okay, spelling mistake. Indenter, okay. So it is saying why indent error is coming.
I think that will be
Yeah, that should be here. Yeah. So enter the rows. Let's first try for 2 into 2 order. 2 into 2 element 2, 2, 2, 2. So this is the value is coming here, right? So we have to align as per position. So it is printing like new n, right? Every time new n is printing in Python. So here it is printing. If I don't print n also, that is fine, right? That's not a problem. Two. Okay. So here I can say right now finally print here matrix values. Okay, next lesson. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay. Now what is happening here? You can see this value is coming like this, right?
Yeah.
So let me try one approach here, because in another programming language this is very simple. Okay, if you go to the other programming language, we can say the for I, if we compare this in a Scala also, 0 to whatever the rows we have, right? And then for J, 0 to column. And then if I print here, just we have to print the \t and the value of the array. That's all. Here of I and J. It will take automatically formatting here. In other programs, Java, Scala, right? C++, C, I can tell you exactly. Let's see in the Python how to do. So if I keep it right now, the println here and \n. So every for row, right? Why I'm keeping the \n? Because for every row, once it is completed, it should go to the next line, correct? See that?
Correct.
For that purpose, just I'm saying once this is completed, like every column, right? One this is completed, like every row wise I'm keeping it. If I is completed 0, right? It has to go to the next. It has to go to the next. That's why just I'm keeping the ordering, so that I should get the value in this order, right? In a square matrix. So that is the way how it is coming. Let's see in that Python how to do exactly. So if I remove here, there is a quotes one functions. So let me try now. Let me try other places, not here. Okay. So let me keep it here, same code. We'll come back here. So matrix of I and J. So if we run here, what is the value we are getting? We are getting 22, right? Okay. Now, let me keep it here. And, okay. Minus, there's a percentage. That is syntax, right? Keywords. Let me try. Percentage keywords. What is happening here now? That is the function is wrong. Keyword, right? Yeah. This should be a keyword only. And so basically what I'm trying to do here exactly, I'll tell you. I'm trying to end the new line, okay? I don't want to print the new line here, right? In this case, okay? First, this for J loop. So you should print the value, what I'm looking here. I want to print the value 2 and then tools, okay? Some space, keywords mean space, okay? And with some space. Don't go to the next line. And then once the J is completed, go for the next line. That is the idea. But this function is not available here. It's right? Invalid syntax. Let me check here why it is coming. That is key is correct, right? The percent is good, right? Escape character. See, this is the syntax what I'm writing right here. There is no solution. Okay, leave it right, this part, okay? New line and all. This is for related to the new line formatting, Pune, okay? Here. Let's check something like okay. This speaks. Okay. Let's print right now. So if you're coming to here right now, exactly, if I come here print, okay, and if I give here print, let me, so you'll get some more space now, not required now here. Okay. Let me move to the next program here. Now, what is happening here? Now this is rows and columns. Do you have any doubts here?
No, I understand what you are trying to explain, but it's just that it's not printing in a way in a box like in a table
in
format.
box. Correct. Yes. So let me try with another library. Okay. By default, that keyword parameter is not taking here. Okay.
Okay.
So I'll check it. This is related to formatting, like new line and tab space in Python. Okay?
Yeah.
That is related to that. Okay. So that I'll check it. Okay. In the free
Sure.
time, not required here. Okay. So now let's move to like let's try with the NumPy library we discussed last class, right? So same program, just if I do with the NumPy, how it will be there. Let's say exactly NumPy as NP, right? So I'll keep the same program here. We have everything. There is no doubt here. Then what we are doing here, we are going to enter the value. So here, what we have to do exactly, we have to enter the value using this print. Okay. Here I am saying here enter the entries. Okay, whatever the entries we are going to do, because it reads the line. Okay, in a single line separated by space. Okay, that is delimiter. Okay, what we are fixing here. So in this case, let's say here basically number is equal to list of mapping integer comma input. Okay, and whatever the input we are giving, we are going to split here functions based on that. Okay, space. Now what we'll do exactly here, now I want to make the matrix, correct? Now we want to make this matrix here. So let me try first. Let me print this number. What is number is coming here? Print number. Let me see first. Enter the rows 2 2. Enter the entry in the single space. So 2 2 4, right? So 1 2 4 and 5. Okay. So we got one row right here. Can you see now in the NumPy library? Okay. Now we want to make the matrix box here. So let's say here for printing the matrix, right? Matrix printing format. So in these cases, now I'm going to make a matrix here. NP is equal to NP dot array. Okay. And then what I'm passing array? I'm passing number, right? Yesterday we discussed. And then I want to what reshape. What, see that reshape is a function in Python. Okay. And then what I'm saying, reshape into what? Rows and column. Okay. Here, column. Fine. And then after this, it is easy. Now we got your, this is easier right here than the previous program. Okay. Matrix. So let's say I'm entering 3 into 3. Enter the space. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right. Even let me keep 10. Okay. What happened? Right. So we got. So what is saying here? The cannot reshape array of the size 10 into the shape 3 into 3, correct? You can see now error. See what happened, the size what we entered 3 into 3 into 9, right? So only we can pass 9 value to this number, not more than 9 value. Otherwise you will get this error, right? It cannot receive 10 into the 9 order, 3 into 3 order. Punya. So that's why when you will run right now here, if I keep here 3 into 3 here right now, and if I enter like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 11. Okay, it is fine. See that? Now you got a matrix box, correct? So if I print here, and if I enter exactly entered matrix is in this way. 3, 3, 33, 23, 12, 11, 10. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got now, right? Box.
Yeah.
So for this type of enter, we have to use the NumPy library, right? NumPy is doing the work, the formatting part and all, right? Not manually work, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Let's come to the program, okay? Now what we are going to do, we are going to write a program to find the addition of matrix, correct? So we are writing the program to find addition of matrix, correct?
Just a small question. In above, you have used map function. Map function is used to assign the data.
Yeah, no, I'll tell you. What it will do, map basically, map will take all the data from your line space, correct? Here, input dot split.
Okay.
One line, right?
Mm-hmm.
We are splitting, converting into the integer, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So map will enter every input to the list. How the list is getting the value? Through the map. Okay. Suppose I have 9 element, 9 into, right? 9 time I'm passing the 9 space. So that space is splitting using this function. And each element, so map means one input, one output. How many inputs we are giving to the line, that many outputs we are expecting and loading to the list, and list is converting to the num right here. Exactly. So what is happening here? Map is a functions. Okay, map is a function here. Okay, functions which is taking one input for each element. Okay, and loading to list of array. That is the map work here.
Okay.
It works basically map. That is the objective here. It is not like key and function, key and value right here. Now I'm coming to here matrix program now. So if you're coming to here right now, so again we know the rows and column. So let's me go back here. I'm coming to the rows and column here. Again, what we are going? We have to enter the matrix, correct? So now let me show you exactly the print here, and then what I'm saying here, enter the value for first matrix. Okay, first matrix. So the matrix order should be the same. Okay, rows and column. That is what we are looking right now. So I'm saying here matrix. Let's say matrix 1 is equal to. Okay. Now what I'm going to do? It is this array. Then what? In this array, this is the matrix, correct? Let me tell you. First, let me keep a syntax for you. Okay. Then you'll compare now. Now let me keep here matrix 1. So means array, correct? Matrix. So inside this matrix, we are passing the list of element, right? See that here? See here, right? 1, right? 2, 3, right? 1 row, second row, 3 row. And this is the finally what? Matrix, correct? In that. So for that, I'm keeping one more list here inside this. And then I'm saying here exactly integer, right? And then integers, what integer I'm passing here? Input function. Okay. You got the point here? Together I'm doing here right now. Punya. So input, once I'm writing the input here, right? This two bracket is closing here. Then I am saying here for I in range columns, right? Columns. And then here the outer loop will be for y, I and j. If I is a columns, here j is a column, so that it not confuse. And for I, I'll keep here I in range of rows in this way is coming. Actually, this is same thing. We can add this also. This approach also we can add. This is also same thing. Okay, there is no difference into that. This approach append method, correct? Here you can see now, right? Matrix of 1. So we can follow this approach or this approach also. What is happening here? It is same thing. If you see right now, let's compare previous syntax and this syntax. Okay, here what we are seeing here, integer input. Okay, this integer, and inside the integer we are passing the input functions. Then we are saying here for j in range of column. Okay, the first, right, it is coming for the column, and for each rows we are inserting the column internal, right? This is like internal syntax we are passing. Same thing here. These lines of code we are splitting here in the 3 lines of code, right? In this code, right? You can see here for I in the range of row, this one, right? For I in the range of rows, first line. Then what we are saying, it is returning one row, blank row. Then what we are passing here, for j in range of column, for j in range of column, this one. And then what we are doing here, we are passing each j value, input value from the j to r, and then we are loading r to the matrix, correct? You can see now, Punya here.
Yeah.
Same work. Now what we are doing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines of code we are writing. We are doing the same work into just 1 lines of code in the simplified. So we are writing here same approach. Now we are not creating this blank array. We are not doing the append methods. Directly we are assigning to what? Matrix internally here. Let's try first. Okay, let's print first. So in these cases, what will happen here? Now let me run here first. Let's see here. Into the rows 2, 2. Okay, inputs is that 2, 2, 2, and 2. We have not print the value. Okay, so let me keep here the print and what matrix here. Matrix 1. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, we got now, right? See that? The formatting we are keeping here. So in this way, this is the syntax we have to follow. Then the same approach we can keep for the matrix 2 also. So here matrix 1 and then what? Matrix 2. So I can say here right now, enter the value for the matrix 1, and here I can say exactly here print, and I can say here enter the value for matrix 2. This is the matrix 1 and this is the matrix 2. We can print down. Two into 2, 2, 3, 4, 2. Into the matrix 2. See that? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we got 2 matrix here. Now what is your program? We want to do the addition of 2 matrices, correct? Here. So the first matrix value is this here. Okay, first matrix value is this here. Second matrix value is this. Here. This is the second matrix here. So how it loads here, what we are going to do, we want to find the addition of this matrix plus addition of two matrix, correct? That is our program.
Yeah.
Okay. We want to find the, we want to create another matrix by the giving the plus of A and B of matrix, both the matrix. Final issues. How it goes exactly, it will load the data based on the indexing wise. Okay. So again 0, 0. So in this matrix, you can see here the value will be 2, 3, 4, and 2, correct? Here. In this matrix, the value is 5, 6, 7, and 8. This is the value. And this is the 0, and this is the 1 position. So if I say here 0 and a 1, this is something 0, and this is something 1. Okay. So this is the position of matrix. So this is the index positions. Similarly, we'll have 0 and 1 here also. And same positions even we have here also. So in these cases, the index positions will go the first matrix A of 0, okay? A of 0, comma 0, and B of plus B of 0, comma 0. You got my point? So that becomes what? C of, so I can say here C of 0 and 0 is equal to A of 0, comma 0, first matrix, plus B of 0, comma 0. So how it loads the, what is the logic here? Means index wise, right? So the addition is happening here. The addition of the matrix here, addition of matrix is happening based on index positions from both the matrix, correct? If index is index, or we can say the size of matrix, okay, is not same, then additions cannot be performed because it will mismatch, right, Punya?
That's right.
Okay, so the index wise, right? So based on the index wise, the 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. So the point is that if it is going to the first row, if I is equal to 0, let's assuming here I is equal to 0 and j is becoming what? 0 first time. Next time j is becoming 1. So I is equal to 0 and j is equal to what? 1. Next time what? I is equal to 1 and then j become what? 0. Again I is equal to what? 1 and j becoming what? 1, right? So this is the 2 into 2 matrix is happening here. So in these cases, what we are getting? We are getting here C of 0, comma 0, C of third matrix 0, comma 1, C of 1, comma 0, and C of 1, comma 1, correct? See that? So this is your resultant matrix. On this resultant matrix, the corresponding value will be coming from A and B and loading the data to here. Here. Yeah, Pune, any questions here?
No, I understand what you are saying. I'll just, I need to write it to,
Pen and paper.
mm,
Okay, so it is very simple way what I'm trying to say exactly here. So if you see here 2, if I keep it 3, suppose 4 and the 5, okay, on matrix I have. Then if I'm keeping here 1, let's say 2 again 4, again 5, again 6, even if I have a 3 here, first matrix is very, very important, okay? After that you will get the flow because there are many program here.
okay.
This is the first matrix, okay? Now
Yeah.
let's enter the second matrix. So I'm saying here 3, 5, 6, 5, okay? And then I'm saying here 4, 4, 3, 5. And then I'm seeing here 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. See that? So this is your matrix 1, correct?
Yeah.
And this is a matrix 2. Okay, matrix 2. Now what we are seeing, the additions will be happen. The matrix 3, the logic is this: matrix 3, okay, matrix 3, okay, of I of j is equal to matrix 1 of I of j plus matrix what 2
Two.
of I and j, correct? This is the logic.
Yeah.
Matrix 1. So it means what? So if I is equal to the first time, I will be 0. Correct? J will moving, keep on incrementing. Again,
Correct.
so in that case, so if you see here right now the matrix, if I is equal to 0, now let's go for this matrix. J becoming what? 0. J becoming what? 1. And J becoming what? 2, right? Because this
Correct.
is the 3 into 3 matrix. So 0, 1, 2. Now, in these cases, how it will go additions? So it will start from j is equal to 0. So it will start matrix third of 0, comma 0 is equal to matrix 1 of 0, comma 0 plus matrix 2 of 0 and 0, right? So what we get? What it will return? It will return 2 plus 3
3, 5.
is equal to 5. The value will go to 5.
Yeah.
Similarly here, just we change these positions here. Now, if we change these positions here, okay, now this becomes what? 0 and 1. This becomes what? 2.
Correct.
This is the 1. This is the 2. This is the 1. And am I right? And this is 2. Something is correct, right? Yeah, 0, 1, 2.
Correct.
Still the I value is 0, but j is changing here, right? Here, see that?
Correct. Correct. Correct.
Now what will happen? So let's say I is equal to 0, j is equal to 1. So what is the j is equal to 1 value now? 2 in the first matrix, and the second matrix what? 4.
4, 6.
6. So the value should come 6 here.
Yeah.
Similarly here now 5 and plus
3
3,
and 5.
3 and 5, right? So this is the flow how it goes to the matrix insertion order, okay, for 2 matrix order, okay.
Yeah.
So in these cases, similarly I is equal to 1. Once I becoming 1, again we have to copy this, change the positions.
That I
I is
understood.
0, correct?
Understood. Yeah.
Clear, right? Here.
Yeah.
So it's better to keep here, then you'll understood the flow. So in these cases, this flow will be coming. So here it will become 1, here it will become 1, here it will become 1. Now here it will become 1. So 1, 0, right? So we can copy this, we can paste it here, we can paste it here. We can copy this 1 and 1. We can copy paste here. So just
Understood.
explain one matrix. After that, you can catch any matrix.
Yeah. Yeah. Now this part I completely understood when you are explaining in that paint box also. What I'm trying to understand. So how, I mean, understanding is nice, good. How can we write this code? I mean,
So for that one, let's see, I'll tell you. So just 1, 2 program if you complete here, right? Because you're starting the first time, correct?
right, right.
That's why first time it will take time. I'm not. So see that I'll tell you. This is the approach number 1. This is what? Approach 1, right?
Correct.
This way we can do coding.
Correct.
Same thing we are doing here. Suppose, right? Last
Using
here,
an NumPy. Yeah.
this one. Here we are not using NumPy. Previously we are using NumPy. Here we are using NumPy, right?
Correct. Correct.
Okay. So NumPy is becoming much easier. No tension for us.
No.
But
Yeah.
the point is that here now, if I'm going to the now I'm coming to the addition of matrix program, correct? Matrix to
Correct. Correct.
So let's say here what I'm writing here right now.
Yeah.
So in this cases, now we got the logic right here. This logic we got, program we got, equation also we got right here. Okay, so
Yeah.
what we'll do here right now, we have to say exactly again. Let me try in this way. So I can say the matrix 3 is equal to what? We have two matrix, right? I and J, correct?
Correct.
So matrix 1, okay, and one of what? I, comma,
J.
J, correct?
Yeah.
Plus we are keeping matrix of 2 of I
And J.
and J, correct? That
Yeah.
is the equations here.
Correct.
So now we are good this point of right here till here, right? No problem.
Yes.
Matrix I of J and matrix I of J. Okay, so now we are good this till syntax, right? No problem, correct? So
Yeah.
the first row will be the column inside loop. Inside is the loop, right? Just now. See, follow the above. Above, see that what we are doing. For J in range of column, for I in range of row, right? Same you can copy from here. See that? Just I'm doing the same work, right? What I'm doing right now here, I am saying here, let me for first let me copy this so that it will not get confused. I copy this, right? Okay. Okay. See that? So what is happening here? We are saying for, right? For loop I missed out. Sorry. For J in range of column internal, right? Okay.
Yeah.
And then again, what you're doing? You're copying this line. Again, you're pasting here. So approach is like this. Let me explain how we can follow the approach. Okay. Suppose matrix 3. Again, let me write it here. 3. First, this is for the matrix. Correct. This for what? Matrix. So inside the matrix, we are adding two more matrices. So I'm giving one more matrix here. So inside this, we are calling what? Syntax. Matrix 1 plus matrix 2, correct?
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Now we have a two square brackets. One for row, one for column. Then I'm saying here for column. Sorry. Inside, right? Here I'm saying for internal square is for column and external is what for rows. You got the flow now? It makes you easy.
Yeah.
Understanding?
Yeah.
So first will be the outer will be the rows and internal will be the column, correct? Similarly, here also I did something. First rows and then column. See? So, but in the Python script, we are writing like this now. Nowadays, we are not following that old pattern code. So what we are seeing here, this is the internal is the column and external is what? Rows. So that's why the program is coming here now. Okay. Now we got here. Any questions here?
No. Yeah. What you're trying to just
I'm
explain.
trying to explain you the syntax, like how you should not get confused.
So matrix, just one line. That matrix, the way you declare matrix one. So int of input or input is you are asking for the length of rows, right?
Size, yes.
Size.
Yeah.
So int of input is basically you are asking the size. No, no, not that one. I am talking about matrix one. Matrix one. Next line.
So this is the element of matrix. Okay, let me tell you. Okay, let me give you the print. Okay, here. Enter elements of the matrix, okay, based on what? Rows into column size. Okay, so
Okay.
matrix 1, this is the matrix 1 we are entering. Same thing what matrix 2 we are entering here, right here. Okay, right now after that what I'm doing here right now, I'm printing here, let's say, right, entered matrix values are like this. Okay, now what I'm doing here, applying addition of two matrix based on index positions, okay, using columns and rows size, and result will be assigned to matrix third. ये प्रिंसिपल, ये थ्योरी है ना मैथ का, करेक्ट? पुण्य,
Yeah.
मैथ है, मैथ में थ्योरी है कि मैट्रिक्स थर्ड क्या होगा, दोनों का एडिशन इंडेक्स और पोजीशन यही होता है.
I'm just trying to understand the syntax. That's it. I mean, that concepts wise, I am in line.
So
totally.
syntax wise, now this is the syntax as I explained you. Again, let me reverse. First matrix is this. First, correct? Let me here. This is the one matrix, correct? One matrix, correct? Simple. Now what you can do here, I am saying in this matrix I want to add of another matrix, correct? I want to insert the value of another matrix, correct? What we are trying inside this, okay, let me keep inside this add or pass value of what, another two matrix, correct? Here, that is our objective, right? Correct. Now for this, what I'm doing here right now, again I'm coming here, matrix third is equal to, now the first matrix I got, I need to add two more matrices, so I'm keeping here. So what I'm trying to do, I am saying here matrix 1 plus what, matrix 2, correct? So inside is the, what is inside? Inside is column, correct? And here outside is what? Is what? Rows. You got right the flow for loop.
Yeah.
So now finally let's build the syntax. Now you tell me. Now let's make the final syntax. Okay, final syntax. Okay, final syntax here. So if I'm taking here matrix 3 is equal to, okay, first matrix, I need one more square for the internal matrix, correct? पुण्य,
Yeah.
आप बोलो क्या होगा यहाँ पर. तो अभी इक्वेशन हम लोगों ने क्या अभी डिस्कस किया, आई ऑफ जे इज इक्वल टू वाई ऑफ जे प्लस आई ऑफ जे, करेक्ट? ये सिंटेक्स हम लोग डिस्कस किया ना अभी.
राइट.
ये तो इक्वेशन तो लिखना पड़ेगा वहां पर, जो भी मैट्रिक्स का आपका नाम है ये तो चेंज नहीं होगा, ये तो पॉलिसी सेम है. अभी हम क्या कर रहे हैं,
वो समझ गया.
अब हम क्या कर रहे हैं, इसके अंदर उसको बस पेस्ट कर रहे हैं.
ये सेम चीज आपने लिखा ना उस पर फाइनल सिंटैक्स के ऊपर, मैट्रिक्स 3.
हाँ,
तो ऑन दैट मैट्रिक्स 3 you matrix 1 plus matrix 2 inside the column and outside the rows.
हाँ.
So final syntax means what?
फाइनल मीन्स अब देखो अभी क्या हो, अब उसको फाइनल लेके आना ना. अभी तो हम लोग एनालिसिस किए क्या होगा, है ना. दो स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट होगा, एक एक्सटर्नल होगा, एक इंटरनल होगा, राइट? दो स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट है ना इसमें. एक एक्सटर्नल एक इंटरनल है. इंटरनल कॉलम के लिए हो गया, एक्सटर्नल रो के लिए हो गया. बट क्या करना है, मैट्रिक्स को ऐड करना है. तो इसको हम यहाँ पे अब इसका लॉजिक डालना पड़ेगा ना. एक मिनट में इसको कॉपी कर लेता हूँ. इसका लॉजिक तो वहां डालना पड़ेगा ना. इसको अब क्या करना है, इसमें मैट्रिक्स 3 कहां से वैल्यू आएगी?
So you have added this, right?
No, it is adding twice here, right? Why is coming twice? I don't know. One second. I'm pasting here, okay? See, okay, fine now. ठीक है.
Yeah.
ये तो क्लियर हो गया. बट ए आई और जे कहां से आएगा? आई एन जे तो अभी नहीं है ना यहाँ पर, फॉर लूप नहीं है अभी यहाँ पर. करेक्ट है. हमें उसका रो एंड कॉलम का तो साइज लाना पड़ेगा ना, तभी तो रीड करेगा इंडेक्स वाइज.
करेक्ट.
अभी हम लोग ने क्या किया, यहाँ पर मैथ का इक्वेशन डाला, मैट्रिक्स 1 आई ऑफ जे प्लस मैट्रिक्स 2 ऑफ आई ऑफ जे, दैट इज द रिजल्ट. उसकी जो इंडेक्स पोजीशंस होगी मैट्रिक्स 3 को जाएगा,
राइट.
ये हम लोग ने डिस्कस किया अभी यहाँ पर, मैट्रिक्स 3 को जाएगा ऑटोमेटिकली,
राइट,
इंटरनली असाइन होगा वैल्यू को।
Yeah.
तो उस केस में अगर हमें पाइथन के अंदर सिंटेक्स लिखना है, ठीक है, तो अब एक हम इसके अंदर एक फॉर लूप डालते हैं कॉलम के लिए, और बाहर फॉर लूप डालेंगे रो के लिए। तो हम लोगों ने देखो स्टार्टिंग में ही किया था ना, यहाँ देखो स्टार्टिंग से आ जाओ फिर से। इंटर द एलिमेंट ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स 1 बेस्ड ऑन द रोज एंड कॉलम साइज, करेक्ट।
Yeah.
रोज मान लो 3 है, कॉलम 3 है, 3 into 2 जो भी ऑर्डर है।
Correct.
अभी हम लोग क्या डालना है इसका, ये एक तो मैट्रिक्स में क्या होगा, हमारा 2 इनपुट आएगा ना यहाँ पर, ये तो मैट्रिक्स हो गया हमारा, एक कॉलम का होगा एक रोज का होगा। मैट्रिक्स भी रो एंड कॉलम है ना, चाहे सिंगल मैट्रिक्स हो या 2 मैट्रिक्स हो या 3rd मैट्रिक्स हो, फाइनली व्हाट, फाइनल रिजल्ट क्या हमारा रोज एंड कॉलम है। तो एक आई होगा एक जे होगा।
आप बस वो मैट्रिक्स 1 का सिंटैक्स मुझे आप बता दो, एंड देन आई विल बी टोटली गुड। सो इंट ऑफ इनपुट यू आर एंटरिंग a value for j in the range of columns and for I in the range of rows. So ये j कॉलम वाला वैल्यू लेगा, I रोज वाला वैल्यू लेगा, दैट आई अंडरस्टूड। सो इंट ऑफ इनपुट क्या कर रहा है बेसिकली यहाँ पे?
अरे ये क्या है, मैं इसको स्प्लिट करके बता रहा हूँ। देखो इसको मैं, अगर तुम आप स्प्लिट करोगे ना, जो हम लोग पहला कोड किया ना अभी, ये कोड देखो, इसको हम लोग वहां असाइन कर रहे हैं, अपेंड कर रहे हैं, एक कोड हम नहीं करना चाह रहे, राइट।
ओके,
उसके बदले में सिंप्लीफाइड कोड हो गया यहाँ पर। अभी देखो अभी क्या कर रहे हो, बेसिकली ये इनपुट क्या होगा, आपका नंबर आएगा ना, जैसे मान लो यहाँ पर डाल देते हैं इंटर द वैल्यू, करेक्ट,
करेक्ट,
तो बॉक्स आएगा,
या
कितना साइज डालोगे, रोज इंटू कॉलम, करेक्ट, रोज इंटू व्हाट,
कॉलम,
कॉलम, जो भी होगा उतना वैल्यू डालना पड़ेगा ना। ये बॉक्स
वो
का
तो
मतलब
ऊपर आ गया ना आपका,
इंटर द वैल्यू,
वो तो ऊपर आ गया ना, रोज और कॉलम का साइज आपका ऊपर आ गया ना, जो आपने डिक्लेयर
हाँ,
किया रोज।
ऊपर आया
हाँ,
यहाँ, बट इसको तो कहीं हमको असाइन देना पड़ेगा ना। ये तो एक सिंपल वेरिएबल है, लाइक ए एंड बी, ये अभी कुछ भी नहीं है अभी इस लाइन तक।
राइट, राइट,
अभी फर्स्ट टाइम जो कंपाइलर यहाँ आएगा उसको रो मिलेगा 3,
करेक्ट,
आपने 3 डाला तो रोज की वैल्यू 3 हो
करेक्ट,
गई। इस लाइन के बाद कंपाइलर को क्या मिलेगा, 2,
मतलब जो भी व्हाटएवर यू
जो भी
एंटर,
हम वैल्यू मान लो 3 डाले,
या
इंटर द वैल्यू ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स, ये अभी क्या है, ब्लैंक है ना, कुछ नहीं है,
राइट,
इंटर द वैल्यू, राइट। अभी मान लो इसको मैं हटा देता हूँ, ठीक है।
या
अभी हम क्या करें यहाँ पर, इंटर द एलिमेंट ऑफ मैट्रिक्स बेस्ड ऑन द रोज कॉलम साइज। तो रो मान लो 3 into 3, तो कितना एलिमेंट डालना होगा, 9, करेक्ट है ना, हमें 9 एलिमेंट डालना पड़ेगा।
राइट।
तो
सो
अगर आप मान लो ये मैसेज यहाँ डालो या नहीं डालो, ठीक है, ये तो एक्सट्रीम मैसेज है, जस्ट लाइक यूजर पॉपअप के लिए, तो ये तो इनपुट आएगा, है ना। देखो
हमको क्यों इनपुट, ये ऑटोमेटिकली लेगा ना, कि ऊपर हमने डिक्लेयर कर दिया रोज
ले रहा है, एक मिनट रुको, अब मुझे समझ में आ गया, समझ में आ गया। देखो अभी क्या है, आपका रोज 3 है, ठीक है,
करेक्ट,
कॉलम 3 है, तो टोटल एलिमेंट कितना इंटर करना होगा, 9, ठीक है,
9, या
3 into 3 is equal to 9। तो ये 3 into 3 9 एलिमेंट कैसे हम डाटा को डालेंगे उस एरे में, हमें लूप चलाना पड़ेगा।
करेक्ट,
तो एक लूप होगा रो के लिए, एक लूप होगा कॉलम के लिए।
करेक्ट,
तो हम लिख रहे हैं फॉर आई इन रेंज ऑफ रो,
राइट,
फिर लिख रहे हैं फॉर जे इन रेंज ऑफ कॉलम,
करेक्ट,
3 into 3 हो गया,
राइट,
इंडेक्स मिल गया। फिर
राइट,
हम क्या लिख रहे हैं, हम बोल रहे हैं कि मैट्रिक्स, ऐसा सोच लो, ए ऑफ आई, ए ऑफ जे, थोड़ा पाइथन में थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड सिंटेक्स है इसलिए कंफ्यूजन है, ठीक है। और हम यहाँ पर डाल रहे हैं, मान लो आप डाले, क्या बोल रहे डाल रहे हो, यहाँ पे इनपुट डाल रहे हो, राइट, इंटीजर, करेक्ट है, इंटीजर इनपुट। देखो ऐसे ऐसे भी हो सकता है ना, ये भी एक सिंटेक्स हो सकता है, मल्टीपल वे हम एक ही प्रोग्राम को लिख सकते हैं,
राइट। तो वहां पे ये ऑटोमेटिकली जो आई जे का वैल्यू है, वो ऑटोमेटिकली वो इनपुट फंक्शन में पास हो जाएगा।
हाँ, तो आप जितना भी इनपुट डाल रहे हो, नहीं आई एन जे में नहीं हो रहा, देखो कंफ्यूजन, देखो
नहीं, मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ,
हमें एक मिनट, ये क्या हो, राइट टू लेफ्ट असाइनमेंट हो रहा है,
ओके,
ठीक है। तो जब हम कीवर्ड से जो वैल्यू डालते हैं फर्स्ट टाइम, ठीक है, तो मान लो आपने डाला 12, तो 12 क्या है, हमारा स्ट्रिंग है, ये क्या है, स्ट्रिंग। इसके बाद क्या करता है, कन्वर्ट करता है, किसमें कन्वर्ट करता है इसको,
नंबर पे,
इंटीजर में, ठीक है। कन्वर्ट करने के बाद इसको क्या वैल्यू मिला, 12, 12 मिलने के बाद इसको असाइन करता है किसको, वेरिएबल को किसको असाइन करेगा, लेफ्ट साइड वेरिएबल को, ठीक है। तो अभी क्या आपका मैट्रिक्स है, मैट्रिक्स आई की वैल्यू 0 है, जे की वैल्यू 0 है, आप वैल्यू क्या असाइन होगा, 12 असाइन हो गया ना। ये फ्लो चलता है, राइट टू लेफ्ट असाइनमेंट होता है ना।
ओके ओके ओके
क्लियर रवि? देखो अब जाके उस इंडेक्स पे वैल्यू उसको मिली, यहां से देखो, देखो यहां से, तो ये राइट टू लेफ्ट असाइनमेंट होता है, राइट साइड हो गया और ये लेफ्ट साइड हो गया। पुण्या डाउट से भी
क्लियर।
तो पाइथन में क्या हो गया ना, इस कोड को इतना सिंप्लीफाइड कर दिया है कि सभी किसी के लिए भी कंफ्यूजन का कारण। अब हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, तो ये इनपुट ले रहे हैं फंक्शन, इनपुट क्या होगा, जितना भी आप इनपुट डालोगे, एक नंबर डालोगे, कुछ भी एबीसीडी भी डाल सकते हैं, उसको इंटीजर में कन्वर्ट होगा, करेक्ट है। और ये इंटरनली क्या कर रहा है ना, ये इंटरनली लूप कर चल रहा है, 0 0 1 1, ये इंटरनली वैसे ही चल रहा है, ऑटोमेटिकली इटरेट हो रहा है, ठीक है, बेस्ड ऑन द साइज ऑफ कॉलम एंड रोज, और उसको उस इंडेक्स पे ऑटोमेटिकली डायनेमिकली इसको असाइन कर दे रहा है। तो यहाँ पता नहीं चल रहा एग्जैक्टली बैकग्राउंड में क्या हो रहा है, बट बैकग्राउंड में ऐसे फ्लो जा रहा है।
अंडरस्टूड नाउ कंप्लीटली अंडरस्टूड।
ठीक है, तो एक इंटरनल जो लूप हो गया, इस जे को हम लोग ने क्या किया, इस सेकेंड वाला लूप को यहाँ से कॉपी करके आप क्या डाल दिए, यहाँ डाल दिए, कोड में डाल दिया ना, यहाँ पर डाल दिया, राइट, फॉर जे इन जे कॉलम, ये हो गया कॉलम के लिए हो गया, मान लो एक, राइट, एक हो गया रो के लिए हो गया,
करेक्ट।
तो फाइनली रो एंड कॉलम का साइज बन के मैट्रिक्स 1 का साइन, फिर मैट्रिक्स 2 को जाएगा, फिर वही मैट्रिक्स 3 को आ रहा है यहाँ पर। ये ओवरऑल पूरा स्टोरी इसका, एक बार देखते हैं इसको, ठीक है, रिजल्ट, ठीक है। तो ये तो रिजल्ट क्लियर हो गया, अब इसमें तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। अभी यहाँ पे देखते हैं प्रिंट, ओके, द रिजल्टेंट मैट्रिक्स, ओके, नाउ रिजल्टेंट मैट्रिक्स में प्रिंट यहाँ पर कर देते हैं मैट्रिक्स 3। सो बहुत सारा स्क्रिप्ट को डायनेमिक किया गया, यहाँ पर कोड को ऑप्टिमाइज किया गया, ठीक है, इसका एडवांटेज भी मैं देख रहा हूँ। तो लेट्स गो फॉर 3 into 3, ओके, 3 into 3, ठीक है, to a 9 size, so 12 enter the element for the matrix based on the rows and column size, matrix 1 12 13 12 13 15 16 17 18 19 हो गया। अभी क्या हो गया, इंटर द एलिमेंट ऑफ मैट्रिक्स 2 है, वहां पर टाइपो मिस्टेक है,
गॉट इट।
13, अरे हाँ सही है ना, इतना क्यों आ रहा है ऐसा,
हाँ क्योंकि हमने आईजेई डिक्लेयर कर दिया ना,
13 14 15 16 17 18 19 12 21 ऐसे है, ठीक है। 3 into 3 आ गया ना, देखो
3 into 2 आ गया ना,
3 into 2 कहाँ आया, ये देखो ना 3 3 3, राइट, 9 है ना फर्स्ट मैट्रिक्स, ये फर्स्ट मैट्रिक्स है, ये आपका सेकंड मैट्रिक्स है, करेक्ट है,
राइट राइट।
ये आपका
अच्छा,
फाइनल
बस
रिजल्ट,
पहला लाइन ही प्रिंट किया है ना, इसीलिए।
हाँ, एक्चुअली पहला में ऐसे ही पाइथन में प्रिंट कर रहा है, तो हमारा लाइन ऑफ कोडिंग सिर्फ एक लाइन का कोड हो जा रहा है, बट दूसरे प्रोग्रामिंग अगर हम जाएंगे, जावा अगर हम जाते हैं ना, तो मुझे पता है कितना लूप लिखना पड़ता है। अभी 2 लूप असाइनमेंट के लिए, वैल्यू इंटर करने के लिए, 2 लूप एडिशन करने के लिए, 2 लूप प्रिंट करने के लिए, 6 बार लूपिंग लिखना पड़ता, ठीक है। पाइथन में उसको पूरा डायनेमिक स्क्रिप्ट कर दिया गया, बट हाँ फर्स्ट टाइम किसी के लिए भी कॉम्प्लेक्स सिंटैक्स है, नो डाउट।
नहीं थोड़ा टफ होगा, मुझे लगा था इजीली मैं कर दूंगा, नहीं मगर लग रहा है बहुत प्रैक्टिस चाहिए, नहीं तो कुछ नहीं काम कर रहा।
अभी तो मतलब हम स्टार्टिंग में है, ठीक है।
हाँ मेरे लिए नहीं है, पूरा टूल पे काम किया ना, इसलिए गॉट इट ओके,
ठीक है। तो ये हो गया आपका। अब देखो कोई भी प्रोडक्ट बेस्ड कंपनी में, आप जिस कंपनी में काम करते हो, जनरली आप इंटरव्यू लेते हो क्या पूछते हो, लॉजिक ही पूछते हो ना,
या
ठीक है, तो ये हो गया आपका एडिशन एंड मैट्रिक्स। इसमें कोई डाउट है?
नहीं।
क्लियर हो गया मैट्रिक्स का? अब देखो
हम्म,
असाइनमेंट क्या है, ठीक है,
हम्म,
आपको गूगल में जाना है, ठीक है,
हम्म,
मैट्रिक्स का
हम्म,
प्रॉब्लम फाइंड आउट करना है आपका। आपको ऐसा प्रोग्राम बनाना है कि आपका बच्चा मैट्रिक्स पढ़ ले आपका प्रोग्राम से, ठीक है, मैट्रिक्स सॉल्यूशन। तो
हम्म,
मैट्रिक्स मैथ्स ऐसे करते हैं, ठीक है, क्लास 12 का देखता है। टाइप ऑफ मैट्रिक्स कर सकते हैं ऐसे, सॉरी, टाइप्स ऑफ मैट्रिक्स, ठीक है, एग्जाम्पल, ठीक है ना, यहाँ पर, ठीक है, यहाँ पर बहुत सारे बाइजू मिल जाएंगे, पर बहुत सारे मैट्रिक्स मिल जाएगा। देखो, रो मैट्रिक्स, कॉलम मैट्रिक्स, जीरो मैट्रिक्स, हॉरिजॉन्टल मैट्रिक्स, वर्टिकल मैट्रिक्स, स्केलर मैट्रिक्स, इक्वल मैट्रिक्स, राइट। एटलीस्ट मैं एक्सपेक्ट करता हूँ 10 to 15 प्रोग्राम्स आपको करना चाहिए, ठीक है। ये पूरा मैथमेटिकल जो एल्गोरिथम जैसे डिजाइन करते हैं डाटा स्ट्रक्चर पाइथन में, उस तरह का लर्निंग का एक्सपोजर मिलेगा इससे, ठीक है, इस प्रोग्राम से।
आई विल चेक। हाँ, 2-3 तो करूंगा, 12-13 आई डोंट थिंक, बट या 2-3 मतलब आई विल मेक श्योर कि मेरा मैट्रिक्स का कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हो जाए 1-2 प्रोग्राम के साथ।
पाइथन का सिंटेक्स क्लियर हो जाएगा ना, जैसे देखो पाइथन में कितना क्लियर हो जाएगा, फॉर लूप क्लियरिंग हो जाएगा इंटरनली, इक्वेशंस को
हाँ,
डालना होगा तो किलो का सिंगल लाइन ऑफ स्क्रिप्ट लिखना होगा तो क्या करना होगा पाइथन में, वैल्यू को असाइन करना होगा तो हम कैसे करेंगे डायनेमिकली।
राइट।
तो इतने सारे इसमें इसमें बहुत सारे, अभी कंट्रोल स्टेटमेंट भी आपको यूज करना है। अभी क्या है, अभी मैं रैंडमली ऐड कर दिया, सपोज करो अभी इसी प्रोग्राम को मैं एंटर करता हूँ, ठीक है, अभी देता हूँ नंबर ऑफ रोज 3 एंड इसको डालता हूँ 2, ठीक है, इंटर द एलिमेंट 2 3 2 3, अभी एंटर हो गया, ठीक है। अभी साइज नहीं ले रहा है, अभी क्या होगा, मान लो एक सॉरी मैं इसको थोड़ा सा फिल्टर करता हूँ, ये हो गया रोज का, ठीक है। अब मैं बोल रहा हूँ इंटर द साइज ऑफ मैट्रिक्स 2, कॉलम मैट्रिक्स 2, दोनों का अगर डिसऑर्डर है तो आपको एडिशन नहीं होना चाहिए, तो इसके लिए आपको कंट्रोल स्टेटमेंट लिखना पड़ेगा, राइट है ना,
हाँ, इफ कंडीशंस
इफ
डालना
कंडीशन डालना होगा, ठीक है। तो चलो
पड़ेगा।
प्रोग्राम पे जाते हैं क्विकली 2 मिनट्स में। तो एक हो गया एडिशन का, तो मैंने प्रोग्राम बता दिया, आपको लिखना है सब्सट्रैक्शन ऑफ मैट्रिक्स, ओके, इजी है, ठीक है, सेम रिवर्स है, सब्सट्रैक्शन ऑफ 2 मैट्रिक्स, ठीक है। इसके बाद होता है मल्टीप्लिकेशन, ओके, तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन का थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है, ठीक है, इजी नहीं है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ 2 मैट्रिक्स, ठीक है।
ओके।
फिर मान लो आप 2 करो, एक एडिशन करो, 3 मैट्रिक्स हो गया। कंपोज मैट्रिक्स, ठीक है, कंपोज मैट्रिक्स क्या होता है, बेसिकली द रिवर्स ऑफ मैट्रिक्स इज इफ इक्वल टू द सेम एज द इक्वल सेम मैट्रिक्स देन इट इज अ कंपोज मैट्रिक्स, ठीक है। इसमें क्या होता है कि इंटर मैट्रिक्स, ठीक है, इंटर मैट्रिक्स एंड रिवर्स मैट्रिक्स, ठीक है, मैट्रिक्स इज सेम देन इट इज व्हाट, कंपोज मैट्रिक्स, ठीक है। और आपने प्राइमरी की का प्रोग्राम किया था, राइट,
प्राइमरी और हाँ, ऑड इवन प्राइमरी इसका किया था।
तो अब आपको क्या पता करना है, बेसिकली फाइंड द लिस्ट ऑफ, ठीक है, ऑड नंबर फ्रॉम अ गिवन मैट्रिक्स, ठीक है, फाइंड द लिस्ट ऑफ इवन नंबर फ्रॉम अ गिवन मैट्रिक्स, ठीक है।
Yeah,
सेम प्रोग्राम को मैंने डाल दिया, इसी प्रोग्राम को कर सकते हो, फाइंड द लिस्ट ऑफ प्राइम नंबर फ्रॉम अ गिवन मैट्रिक्स, करेक्ट है, इनफ है।
ये पहले मेरा बेस क्लियर हो जाए, इसके बाद मतलब आई अंडरस्टैंड, मगर कैसे होगा, आई एम जस्ट गिव मी टाइम, आई विल डू।
मैं
इसमें
कुछ
से 3-4
प्रोग्राम दे देता हूँ वीकेंड असाइनमेंट के लिए, मैं क्या देखो, अभी मैं टाइम दे रहा हूँ, ठीक है, मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ फ्राइडे सैटरडे संडे, ठीक है, बट अभी बेसिक जितना है ना, लूप, कंट्रोल स्टेटमेंट और फॉर लूप, इनर लूप, ठीक है, और ये मैट्रिक्स, मैट्रिक्स में सभी कुछ इंटरनली यूज है,
ओके, लेट मी
ठीक है।
ट्राई।
जैसे फाइंड कुछ भी कर सकते हैं इसमें, प्रोग्राम बहुत सारा कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। ये तो हो गया, मैं बहुत बेसिक, मेरे पास कुछ ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स हैं, आपको मैं तो बता देता हूँ
नहीं
पुण्या।
सर, मैं समझ रहा हूँ, मगर ये मेरे लिए पूरा नया है।
हाँ, तो
थोड़ा
आप टाइम लो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, हम लोग उसको वर्कआउट करेंगे, स्लोली जाएंगे, ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम, ठीक है। So I think concept is clear. Start
Yeah,
coding.
that's what जी concept wise पूरा clear लग रहा है, मगर ये programming wise थोड़ा hands on I can understand कि मेरा problem क्या हो रहा है कि hands on में problem हो रहा है, concept wise I'm getting पूरा हर एक चीज में I'm getting what you are trying to explain.
ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम। चलो विल वर्क आउट। ठीक है, मैं शेयर करता हूँ थोड़ी
Yeah,
देर के बाद रिकॉर्डिंग और नोट्स को आज का।
sure.
ठीक है, डन।
And just one thing I was sharing,